Compact treadmills are a great option for those who want to exercise in the comfort of their own home but don't have a lot of space. These treadmills are designed to be smaller and more lightweight than traditional models, making them easy to store and move around. Number 1. 3G Cardio 80i Fold Flat Treadmill. When it comes to folding treadmills, 3G Cardio's 80i has got to take the cake. Not only can it fold vertically like every other folding treadmill on the market, but it can also fold down flat to the ground. How cool is that? Folded flat, it comes about 1-0 off the ground, so a lot of folks could probably store this thing under their beds when not in use. But I'm getting ahead of myself. 3G Cardio's a great brand that offers a very small lineup of treadmills and exercise bikes. And even though they don't offer that many products, the ones they do have are celebrated for their quality. Unfolded, the 80i takes up a footprint of 33x74 and folded vertically it only takes up 33x39, so quite small on both accounts. When it comes to performance, this treadmill comes with a 3.0 HP motor and a running surface of 18.5x58, making it one of the larger models on this list. An event though you might think 3G Cardio had to skimp a little in the heavy-dutiness department to make the 80i so foldable, this machine can still handle users weighing up to 325 pounds. And 3G Cardio doesn't mess around when it comes to the warranty department either. They back this treadmill with a very generous guarantee, lifetime frame/motor, 5-year parts, 1-year labor. Number 2. mNordicTrack T6.5 S Treadmill. The mNordicTrack brand needs no introduction, it's one of the most well-known home fitness brands on the planet. And while they offer several quality treadmill models to choose from, the T6.5S is one of their most compact and most affordable. In terms of size, the T6.5S is just a hair larger than the two models already mentioned, just squeaking in with our size limitations for this guide. This treadmill takes up a footprint of 7.3x36 unfolded and 3.8x36 folded. When it comes to the running surface, this treadmill comes with a 20x55 area to work with during your workouts, so just a little shorter than the two previous models. It's kinda interesting that the T6.5S is the largest of the bunch yet has the smallest running surface. Anyway, this treadmill also comes with a 2.6 chp motor with a max speed of 10 miles per hour and a max incline of 10%. This is a little slower than the other two treadmills discussed so far, but still plenty fast for walking and jogging. The rollers on this model are also a little smaller, at 1.9, which is more typical for budget treadmills. This treadmill comes with a 300-pound weight limit and is easy to fold after your workouts. Something interesting about this model is that you can adjust the feel of the shock absorption system, flex select cushioning, choosing between a softer feel or a firmer one that more closely mimics the feel of running on the road. The console comes with 20 built-in workouts to choose from, one-touch speed and incline settings, and is iFit compatible through the use of your own tablet. And the warranty on this model is identical to what Lifespan offers on their treadmills above, 10-year frame, 2-year parts, 1-year labor. Number 3. XTERRA TR150 Treadmill. XTERRA is a budget brand with a solid reputation for offering really affordable products that usually work a little better than their competitors. Considering XTERRA is owned by the same company that owns Spirit and Soul, this probably shouldn't be too surprising. Anyway, they've got a nice lineup of treadmills to choose from and the TR150 is their smallest to date. With a footprint of roughly 6.3x29, the TR150 is certainly compact, but it also folds up for storage to take up even less space, 29x29. This small size though, means that this treadmill is going to come with a smaller running surface. At 16x50 you shouldn't expect a ton of wiggle room, but it'll still get the job done for walking. Under the hood, the TR150 comes with a 2.25 HP motor that can reach a top speed of 10 miles per hour, and there are also 3 levels of manual incline you can play with for added variety. Other highlights include a small LCD console with 12 built-in workout programs, grip heart rate sensors, quick touch speed buttons. The weight capacity on this little guy is only 250 pounds, so larger folks might have to look elsewhere, but with a lifetime frame warranty, the TR150 does have a lot to offer for a compact treadmill in this price range.